This is from the Philippines, and I have
Really high
the
versus
mask
Rawaka
over
kana.
my head because the women used to bring food and water to the men who till the land before rice. So yeah, so I know. But some of them didn't even have it on their hands. No, I have it on my head. I should do it. So this is from the Philippines. So this is from the mountains of the Philippines. So when in the olden days, the women would go up the mountains to bring water and food to the men who plant the rice. So this is where we put the rice and the water, and then we walk the mountains with them. It's very heavy. It's about 10 kg. What's your weight? Do you know your weight? It's probably one of you.
وای لس کیلوګرامه ده او سخت دروند دی.
هرڅه